I earn 30,000 a month in commissions and it's growing every day simply because of this little website you're on right now. I'm a top earner with a company called GDI. This website is how I do it. I don't share my identity because that would be a real pain. It would be really stupid. I got into online marketing to make money, not to spend hours teaching people how to type, teaching people how to copy and paste, how to build websites, teaching people how to drive traffic. I'm not interested in that. I'm a really nice guy, but I need to keep it this way. It will work the same for you, and trust me, it's way better this way. The only reason I earn so much and my members earn so much is because of this page. It's because the people that join GDI through this page get sales from my traffic. This is how I guarantee you never quit. You would have to be a real idiot to quit once your account is making money every single month, month after month, from every single sale that's handed to you. Scroll down this page, click the green button, and create a $10 account with GDI. Do nothing else. Your link automatically goes into my priority rotation and you get sales from my traffic. If you decide to pass, good for you. You will never hear from me again. I don't do follow-up emails or have some crazy sales funnel to send you through. I just move on to the next. I earn commissions from everyone that joins through this page, so it pays to hand you sales for doing nothing other than being a member. You are guaranteed to get GDI sales simply for being a member through this webpage. I pay for the traffic to make sure it works. If it doesn't work, you'll just quit anyway, so what's the difference? What do you really have to lose? It's funny, I say I don't bother to teach anyone anything, yet the only reason I make so much every month and the only reason my members make so much every month is because I've been handing out so many sales to my team. When you make money, I make a little more too. It's the only hands-free business I have ever seen, as this video plays over and over and over again. Join, get sales, make money every single